Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rizka Apriliani. I will tell about yawning and sneezing manners in Islam. Yawning manner in Islam. When someone yawns, he must cover his mouth with his hand. If he doesn't close his mouth, Shaitan will enter to the mouth. Sneezing manner in Islam. When someone sneezes, he has to cover his mouth with his hand or with a piece of cloth. After sneeze, he must say Alhamdulillah. People who hear it must say Yarhamkallah. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.